Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Keap CRM automation workflows after disabling campaigns step by step clearly. To restore your Keap CRM automation workflows after disabling campaigns, start by logging into your Keap account. Navigate to the Marketing tab on the main dashboard. From the drop-down menu, click on Campaigns. Locate the section labeled Inactive Campaigns. Here, you will find all your previously disabled campaigns. Select the campaign you wish to restore. Click on the campaign name to open the campaign editor. In the campaign editor, look for the Actions menu. Select the option that says Activate. This will restore the campaign and its associated workflows. Next, navigate to the Automation section in the main dashboard. Review your automation workflows linked to the restored campaign. Make any necessary adjustments to the workflows based on your current needs. Ensure all triggers and actions are functioning as intended. After adjustments, save your changes in the workflow settings. Test the automation to confirm that everything is working correctly. Monitor the performance of the restored campaign over the next few days. This process will help you successfully restore and optimize your Keap CRM automation workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.